If your HP printer is showing offline on your Mac, don't worry, I'll help you fix that. Most of the time, it's just a connection issue, or maybe a printer needs to be removed or re-added to your Mac. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 easy methods to get your HP printer back online and printing again. One of these should definitely solve your problem. Or if you need extra help, just call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Otherwise, let's get started.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Remove and add the printer again. So first, go ahead and click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your Mac. From the menu that pops up, go ahead and select System Preferences or System Settings, depending on your Mac version. Once that window opens, look for the printers and scanners and click on it to open that section. Now, in the Printers and Scanners window, simply select your HP printer from the list and hit the minus icon to remove it from the Mac. The confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure. Just go ahead and click on Reset to confirm the removal. And once the printer reset is done, all you need to do is re-add your printer by clicking the plus icon, just like you normally would when adding a new printer. For more videos on the printer issues, please tell us your issues in the comments section below. If the offline error is still hanging around after removing and re-adding the printer, don't worry. Let's check for any software updates. Method 2. Check the printer software driver. On your Mac, click on the Apple icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and click on the System Preferences or System Settings. This time, instead of going to Printers and Scanners, look for Software Update and click on it. Now once that opens up, if you see any pending updates for your printer or system, just go ahead and hit Update Now and let your Mac install them automatically. Alright, so if the software update didn't do the trick, let's try one more thing. Sometimes the issue is simply that your printer isn't set as default printing device. Let's do that real quick. Method 3. Set your printer as default printing device. First, go to the Apple icon in the top left corner and click on the System Settings. Then, scroll down to the left panel and select Printers and Scanners option. After that, look at the default printer option and click on it. From the list that appears, select your HP printer name and set it as default printer.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.